Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, August 3rd. Continuation of unsettled weather here in the Mid-Atlantic region. It looks like it'll stay unsettled with scattered showers and thunderstorms right into the early part of the weekend. However, after that, it looks like upper-level high-pressure region will expand westward over the eastern seaboard, and it'll turn somewhat drier on Saturday afternoon with partial sunshine, and then plenty of sunshine expected on Sunday and Monday as well. With that increasing amount of sunshine, temperatures will turn a little bit warmer. It'll be probably reaching 90 degrees on Sunday afternoon and 90 degrees on Monday afternoon, perhaps even into the lower 90s in parts of the I-95 corridor, along with those drier and sunnier conditions expected on Sunday and Monday. But until we get there, we have more scattered showers and thunderstorms to deal with. Here is a map from the University of Wisconsin website that shows total precipitable water. Very humid air is shown in this particular image product with orange and red, and here we have the continuation, as we have had all this week and all of last week for that matter, flow of air out of the Gulf of Mexico right up the eastern seaboard, and associated with that very moist flow of air or numerous showers and thunderstorms. We'll see the radar in a moment, but again, a continuation of this very moist pattern here in the eastern third of the nation, and some of that air is coming from the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, and riding right up along the eastern seaboard. Well, in terms of surface conditions, here's the latest surface map, and the main player has been Bermuda high pressure system over the western Atlantic. Winds flow clockwise around highs, which would promote this kind of a flow in this particular part of the country. There's been an upper level low as well situated over the Midwest for the past several days. Winds blow counterclockwise around lows, and the combination is just bringing that tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, from the Caribbean Sea, the southwestern Atlantic, right up the eastern seaboard into the mid-Atlantic, and that'll continue for the next 36 hours or so. After that, we'll see in a moment here, it looks like this upper level low that has been sitting to our south and west over the past few days will just fall apart. This high pressure system over the western Atlantic will expand westward, promoting more sunshine around here, drier conditions for Saturday afternoon, especially Sunday and Monday. And here's the latest radar loop, and again, there are numerous showers and thunderstorms in the eastern third of the nation associated with that tropical moisture flowing up from the south to the north. Some shower activity in and around the D.C. metro region, nothing too heavy right at this time. Pretty healthy looking showers and perhaps embedded rumbles of thunder out across western Pennsylvania, southern West Virginia. Certainly the threat will continue anywhere and everywhere in the I-95 corridor this afternoon, tonight, into the first half of Saturday. Well, let's take a look at the forecast maps from last night's 6Z GFS model run. We'll first look at the upper air, the all-important upper air part of the atmosphere, 500 millibar level, the height anomalies. And here we begin the day today with this upper level low that has been sitting out there over the Midwest for the past several days, and lots of higher pressure, higher heights than normal over the western Atlantic. Watch what happens as we move forward. This basically begins to fall apart over the next 24 hours or so, and that high pressure region expands westward from the Bermuda high positioning then to a position over the eastern seaboard by the time we get into the early part of the weekend. And that will tend to dominate the weather scene here for the second half of the weekend and into the early part of next week. Here we are now by Sunday morning. High pressure in the upper part of the atmosphere takes over. That upper level low that has been sitting to our west falls apart. The combination of this, the dissipation of the upper level low and the expansion of the upper level high, will promote some drying around here Saturday afternoon, especially for Sunday and Monday. More sunshine than we've had in the past several days. It'll turn hotter as well, 90 plus degrees on Sunday and Monday in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City metro region. But again, until we get to that point, we have a chance for showers and thunderstorms today, tonight, and the first half of the day on Saturday. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps from the 6Z GFS model run. These maps, by the way, from tropicaltidbits.com. The model itself produced at NOAA's Environmental Modeling Center, EMC, in College Park, Maryland. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms to start the day here, and they'll probably expand in coverage and intensity over the midday and afternoon hours. That threat for showers and thunderstorms continues tonight. Any shower or thunderstorm can produce some heavy rainfall, and with any heavy rainfall, given the well-saturated grounds, flash flooding could become a serious concern. So be on the lookout for that right into the early part of the day on Saturday. Here we are on Saturday morning. Notice kind of more confined to the coastal regions here. Basically the I-95 corridor and east with the threat for showers. Again, D.C., New York City, Philadelphia, probably the threat for showers and thunderstorms will continue on Saturday morning, even the threat for some downpours, but then some sunshine expected in all three areas during the afternoon hours here. Let's keep moving forward here, and by the time Saturday night, Sunday rolls around, notice no green on the screen here over the I-95 corridor. Sunday, basically mostly sunny, very, very warm, maybe 90 degrees in some areas, perhaps even the low 90s, rather humid as well, and it looks like much of the same on Monday. Here we are Monday morning, high pressure basically in control. And remember, in the upper part of the atmosphere, strong ridging in control as we end the weekend and begin the new week. Again, turns hotter with that high pressure starting to settle in throughout the atmosphere by the second half of the weekend. 90+ degrees expected for highs on Sunday and Monday, perhaps on Tuesday as well. More on that over the next few days. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.